face, nigga.
Nigga, just let it be. Nah, come on, nah.
Never said you think man's scared and shit.
With Danny, yes, I have.
He said, guys, come on, I can fly.
I can't believe I
There you
can
go,
fly.
nigga. Got you. Keep picking at it, motherfucker.
You don't like cheese.
Nigga, you just ate this shit over there.
He's like, y'all.
We're all like around the
I say we let that shit loose in Manny's house. Yo, nobody fucking. He's terrified of birds.
Tuki!
Yeah, I think he's
What are you doing?
You think he's scared as hell right now?
Yeah, nigga, he's shitting bricks right now. Especially that he can't fly away, nigga.
He's like, damn, I got some 6 deep ass niggas.
He's like, yo, these niggas about to jump me, son, and I'm taking it like a man. Like, come on, yo. I dare
Yeah,
me, I'm
some-
motherfuckers to try.
Who hit me first? Who hit me first?
I dare you.
I don't niggas go crazy.
Like, oh, shit. Nigga, gonna play watch. Yo, these niggas think I can't fly. Watch they touch me, my nigga. You touch me, quack. Can't even catch you in your neck and shit. We're all gonna be laying here. Nigga, we're gonna be laying here dead. You're gonna see on the newspaper. Fucking six teams dead. No one knows how.
Okay, man. I don't play. I'm looking at you, 4 eyes. I'm looking at you, sir. Come closer. Oh, hell no. Come on. Let me talk to you, bro.
Yo, D, step in front of him. Yo, he's gonna turn around. Watch. Step in front of him. He just walk towards him. I think he's like, oh shit. He's like, yo, my nigga. He's like, yo, my nigga. I go
That nigga right past you.
this shit, nigga. I don't play that, though. Bitch ass bitch. He's like, my mentor's Raul.
He's gonna attack you, man.
Yo, push that nigga back over here, G. Just hit him with the fitting. Then you're gonna get the swine flu, man.
You fucking bully.
Yeah, D, my nigga, that's fucked up. He can't fly and shit.
Run, little boy, run. Yo, nigga. Don't get hit by a car because you can't fly. Like, I'm trying. I did it. I shut my heart out.
And I'm a G. And I'm a G. And I'm a G.
You gonna put this on Facebook?
And I'm a G.
Look, it's my new pet that I got from Petland. He's kind of injured. Yo, what you doing, son? What you doing? Right here, yo, you going the wrong way, my nigga. The house is that way, my nigga. Turn around. Yo, this nigga.
Yo, you got balls.
That way, bro.
I haven't finished gonna call his flop over here, you know.
You gonna call the bird gang.
Nigga, the fucking. Yeah, them niggas is gonna come deep as hell.
And Tuki as the
That
leader.
way, bro. That way.
Give that nigga a tap.
Yo, I'm gonna go buy a pigeon costume, yo. I'll be back.
Yeah, walk. Think I can pick it up with my hand?
My nigga, you might as well just let him sit in your head.
Yo, let's go sell that shit to Mike
Grab
Tyson.
him then, yo.
I don't want to, nigga. You know, these niggas carry me, bro.
Don't go that way, you're gonna die. You can't fucking fly. If a car comes, you're hit, nigga. You can't fly. We're trying to get him to go this way, nigga. You want to get hit by a car?
That nigga say he don't give a fuck. He a G. Look how he limping. He's with the little limp leg.
He's pimping it, yo. He's like, yo. I got
That nigga got into a
Say what's
fucking-
popping to the camera, nigga.
That nigga got into a fight with a fucking wild boar. Nigga,
Nigga,
nigga up. Nigga, he crashed in the air, nigga. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
fucker set them the wrong way, nigga. He was on
Yeah,
the
yeah.
and the other nigga was coming and they just like ran into each other and it was like bird down. Like, oh hell no.
Yo, what's your other pops, yo? There's Bird Gang over here.
Nigga, Tuki somewhere.
Yo, this is Bird Gang. She's the OG right here, all alone.
Ah, my ass.
Start walking.
Nigga say, yo, move out my way, dog.
When did he start walking?
Big pimping.
Nigga, he saved up mad energy, nigga, just to walk. And nigga's gonna get like to the half of the block over there and he's gonna drop again for like another half an hour. Yo, Casey,
Yo, imagine that dog over there eats it, yo. She gonna look good, guys.
But it's gonna go into the street.
Yeah, Casey, you can play with it. Yo, if I get fucking swine flu, I'm pissed.
I didn't touch it.
Casey, put your fist over your shoe.
You do it.
Yo, I think I hurt, yo.
I'm just gonna get